Hi, today I want to tell you a story of Effortless English. A kid Carlos buys a new car. It is very expensive car. It is huge, blue, and fast car. While driving down the street, Carlos sees a girl on a bicycle. He has long blonde hair and is beautiful. He yells to her, "What's up?" She ignores him. He yells, "How's it going?" She keeps going and ignores him. He yells, "I want you. Hey, why won't you talk to me? I want to go to dinner with you and take you to an expensive restaurant." The girl turns, get up her bike and looks at him. She says, "I don't want to go to dinner, but if you give me your car, I will give you a surprise." Carlos says, "Okay." He jumped out of the car and give her the key and say, "Here are the key." The beautiful blonde takes the key and kisses Carlos on the cheek. And then she jumps into the car and drives away. Carlos stands on the sidewalk. Now he has no car and no girl. He say, "That's it? The kid on the tree." He gets on her bike and drives home. Bye bye. The end of a kiss. See you next time.